I am Jarvis Elvi Cortez, and this is my serial monitor lesson 8. So as you can see, let's try to enter red. Enter. There you go. Let's try yellow. There you go. And then green. Then enter. So this is my code. So let's define green pin, yellow pin, and red pin to the 432 over here, right here, as you can see. And then we have variable right here. This will store serial input. Then in the void setup, we had let's initialize the green pin as an output, yellow pin as an output, and then red pin as an output. Then this will begin the serial monitor. And in the serial monitor, you can see this will be printed in the loop, as you can see right here. This block of code right here will check for serial inputs. And then if the COM data is red, then red pin is high, then the others will be low. If the yellow pin will high, then the others will be low. Then green pin will be low, high, and then the others will be low. And right here, if the user will input invalid command, it will turn off all the pins and will return this print. That's all. Thank you.